Okay, we're starting here with Justin's old Cadillac, and it's a no start. Battery's doornail dead. I brought my charger up, but it's way too gone for that, so I brought one of my own batteries out of the rig to substitute and trace this key-off battery drain. In the meantime, I'm going to pull their battery, see if there's even any water in it, and I don't know, it's a 2-year-old battery. It may have died after cycling, charging cycles. Lead acid batteries don't like lots of discharge and recharge. Anyway, next video, we'll tell you where we got to next and where we're going from there. Thanks for looking.